Quick tip: check your US Bank online security dashboard first every login. The dashboard summarizes recent activity, devices, sign-ins, and security alerts. Open online banking on mobile or desktop and choose Security from the menu. At a glance, you'll see recent sign-ins, linked devices, and active sessions. Scan alerts for unfamiliar activity and prioritize items marked as high risk. Now let's walk through 3 quick actions to secure your account. Action 1. Review recent devices and remove anything you don't recognize. Tap the device, confirm last used location, and select Remove or Sign Out. Action 2. Enable 2-step verification for an extra layer of protection. Choose Text Message or Authenticator app, then follow the simple setup prompts. Action 3. Update contact preferences and verify your recovery email and phone. Finish by rerunning a quick security check and saving any changes made.